Hey there, are you finding it annoying to have to swipe your screen after using Face Unlock on your Samsung phone? You're in luck, because today I'm going to walk you through how to turn off the Stay on Lock Screen Until Swipe feature on your device. Let's dive in. First, go to your phone settings. Then, scroll down just a bit to find the next section. After that, find and tap on Security and Privacy. Now, scroll down once more. Then, tap on Biometrics. Next, look for face recognition and give it a tap. You may be asked to verify your identity using your PIN, password, or fingerprint. After that, find the option for Stay on Lock Screen Until Swipe. Now, simply toggle it up. And there you have it. That's how you can turn off the Stay on Lock Screen Until Swipe feature on your Samsung phone. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please hit that like button and thanks for watching.